Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A beautiful bungalow exterior is transformed with modern farmhouse features, blending classic charm with contemporary style. This video explores the key elements of this design trend, offering inspiration for your own home renovation. Introducing the bungalow. A quick overview of the bungalow's history and its enduring appeal highlight the bungalow's characteristic features: low-pitched roof, wide front porch, and cozy proportions. Mention the bungalow's versatility and adaptability, making it a popular choice for renovations. Explain the modern farmhouse style's popularity and its key elements. Discuss the balance between rustic charm and contemporary sophistication. Showcase examples of modern farmhouse elements like clean lines, natural materials, and industrial accents. Present the bungalow's original exterior and highlight its dated aspects. Showcase the key changes made: new paint color, siding material, and landscaping. Explain how these changes seamlessly blend the modern farmhouse style with the bungalow's existing features. Focus on specific details that contribute to the modern farmhouse look. Explore the use of reclaimed wood, weathered stone, and metal accents. Highlight how these elements create a sense of warmth, character, and sophistication. Inspiration and takeaways. Summarize the key takeaways from the bungalow's transformation. Encourage viewers to consider incorporating modern farmhouse elements into their own homes. Provide resources and links to further explore the modern farmhouse style. A modern, dark gray, A-frame cabin nestled in a forest during autumn. The cabin features a dark gray metal roof, large windows with a focus on natural light, dark gray exterior siding, and warm, wood-toned accents on the interior and exterior. Fallen leaves blanket the ground in shades of orange, yellow, and brown. Visible are large trees with vibrant fall foliage, and large boulders scattered throughout the garden. A wooden deck extends from the cabin, featuring modern outdoor furniture and a grill. A modern, two-story home in a suburban setting, autumn evening. Exterior shot, hyper-realistic. The house is light beige/white with gray stone accents, featuring large windows with black frames. A covered porch area with wooden beams and a dark metal roof overhangs the front entrance. A garage with frosted glass is below the upper level. The landscaping includes green lawn, various autumn-colored foliage, reds, oranges, yellows, browns, and decorative rocks. Warm, golden light from the windows illuminates the interior, casting a soft glow on the stonework and foliage. Fall leaves are scattered on the lawn. Mature trees with yellow and orange leaves surround the house. A large, dark gray, craftsman-style house nestled in a wooded setting. The house features dark gray siding with horizontal panels, accented by light brown wood beams and trim. The roof is a deep charcoal gray. Large, dark windows with black frames are present throughout. A pair of light brown wooden double doors are emphasized by their position at the center of the house's front facade. A stone facade is integrated at the bottom of the house, offering a contrasting texture and color. A covered porch with simple wooden support posts extends out from the front and is furnished with a small outdoor seating area. A large, modern farmhouse, nestled in a wooded landscape. The house features warm, reddish-brown cedar siding with black trim accents around the windows and roofline. The roof is a dark gray shingle. Large windows with black frames offer views into the interior, which appears brightly lit. The facade includes a prominent entryway with a stone base and a covered porch. Landscaping includes various shrubs, bushes, and small trees, meticulously placed around the house and walkways. The lawn is a vibrant green. The setting is evocative of a tranquil suburban or rural home, perhaps in the twilight or early evening. A large, modern, two-story house with a contemporary design. The house is a light cream or off-white color with black trim and roofing. Large windows with black frames fill the facade, especially prominent on the second story and projecting part of the home. The windows are lit softly with a warm, golden yellow light from within. A covered patio or outdoor living space extends from the back of the house, featuring a stone-faced wall and large, dark-framed glass doors. The landscaping includes lush green lawns, various plants, and shrubs. The trees and vegetation surrounding the home are mature and well-maintained. A modern, spacious house with a large covered patio, nestled within a lush green landscape. The house features a warm, natural aesthetic, with light brown wood siding, gray stone accents, and dark gray metal roofing. The patio is a deck, extending off the back of the house with glass doors to inside. The interior is visible, showing a living area with furniture and a fireplace, a bedroom area with a bed, and the patio furniture. The patio furniture is stylish and comfortable, with soft beige and gray upholstery. The landscaping is well maintained, with various types of trees, shrubs, plants, and a mix of soft and hard landscape surfaces. A modern, contemporary home with a sleek, dark gray metal exterior and warm, light brown wood siding. The roof has a slightly angled, asymmetrical design with a visible green roof area. Large windows allow for natural light to flood the interior spaces, which are visible through the glass. The home is nestled within a landscaped garden with various plants, succulents, and ground cover. The garden features a mix of greenery, low-growing plants, a few larger plants and a pathway of light gray paving stones leading to the home's entrance. Focus should be on the architectural design and the interplay between the modern home and its natural surroundings. A charming, dark-toned, cozy cabin nestled in a forest. Hyper-realistic rendering of a two-story, dark gray/black clapboard house with a wide front porch. The house has a pitched, dark gray shingle roof. The walls are detailed with horizontal, dark gray clapboard siding. Large windows with dark frames are visible throughout the structure, with warm yellow light emanating from some. A stone retaining wall is at the base of the front porch, blending the house with the landscaping. The porch features a dark gray/black railing, furniture, and is illuminated by warm exterior lighting. A mix of greenery, shrubs, and grass surrounds the house, with large rocks scattered throughout the garden beds. A large, farmhouse-style home, nestled in a wooded setting. The house features a black metal roof with a peaked, slightly angled design. White, shiplap siding creates a clean, classic aesthetic. Large, black-framed windows are prominent throughout the house, particularly in the second story. A covered front porch with columns is visible. The porch has a black railing and small potted plants. The house's main entrance is framed by a large black door. The house sits amidst lush greenery, with various shades of green foliage and landscaping. Stonework is used as a border around the base of the house. A modern, minimalist house nestled in a foggy forest. The home features a dark gray/charcoal exterior with a sloped, dark metal roof and large, black-framed windows that maximize the views of the woods. The interior is visible through the windows, showcasing warm, golden interior lighting, creating a cozy ambience. The house has a large covered deck area with a dark wood deck and outdoor furniture. A water feature, a tranquil pond, is integrated into the landscape around the house. The natural setting is highlighted by lush, dark green foliage and trees, shrouded in a soft, misty atmosphere. A picturesque, charming, craftsman-style home nestled within a lush forest setting. The home features a dark, charcoal gray exterior, with a combination of cedar shake siding and stone accents. Dark-framed, large windows with natural light illuminating the interior spaces. The home has a covered porch with light-colored wooden beams and support posts, featuring comfortable outdoor furniture. The landscaping surrounding the home includes various plantings, rocks, and gravel pathways. The overall impression is one of tranquility and natural beauty, with the contrast between the dark home and the surrounding greenery.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.